Welcome to the 17th Annual User Summit here in Philadelphia. The theme for this week is going to be to learn, share, and connect.
This summit and the number of people we have coming is the best metrics to look at our success and the health of the Planisware organization.
We got more than 80 new customers last year. The acquisition we made is bringing a new office in south of France, Hong Kong, Tunis, and also Dubai.
We want to be a trendsetter for the PPM.
By having our own data center, we can decide what we put in that. This means that we can align our global processes and streamline them.
Project management means doing a project right, and portfolio management means choosing the right projects. So we definitely depend on new capabilities that are coming into Planisware.
We are actually expanding.
We think that with some packaging, we can grow the whole Planisware enterprise solution in the project controls and engineering space.
In this demo, Pierre is going to represent a company that focuses on smart homes. Luckily for him, he has Planisware to get these gadgets to market. And I'm going to represent a manufacturer who's still living in the dark ages of Excel.
We have Planisware Orchestra, so we are able to cover a much larger footprint on the market.
We're a small shop. Margins are thin. PPM for us seems like a little overkill.
Well, actually, Planisware now is a great tool called Planisware Orchestra, which is a lightweight PPM tool. You should check it out.
We are building year after year a community of champions. We want you to feel like you can exchange with a lot of your peers.
This to me is one of the things that makes Planisware special. Having the opportunity to share those stories along with a Planisware consultant and that collaborative spirit that we have in these conferences really make this a special opportunity.
Yesterday we had a group of people that met for trainings. We have certification.
Proves that you know the product, and it gives you legitimacy amongst your colleagues and your peers.
The more you know, the more value you can get out of the system, and the faster you can get that value.
It opens my eyes to things that were there that I was not even aware of, or how to explain it to someone who is not a user of it. So that's really been beneficial for me.
Planisware's mission has always been to be the single source of truth for all things PPM and to help you get innovation to market. Although our mission hasn't changed, its meaning has evolved quite a bit. But the needs of PPM systems have since expanded and evolved. With that in mind, we built many collaborative features on top of what we demoed last year.
It was great to see some of the native capabilities and see how our users could use those capabilities in the future.
I don't know everything about Planisware. I've used it for many, many years, but there's lots of new elements that I hadn't actually used. So I thought it was an opportunity to learn a lot of new stuff, and I really did.
Our customer can now relax. We are taking care of everything.